Are you tired of trying fad diets that promise quick weight loss but leave you feeling hungry and unsatisfied? If so, you've probably heard of the keto diet, which has become increasingly popular in recent years. But is it worth the hype? Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll compare the keto diet to a normal healthy diet and explore the potential benefits and drawbacks of each. Get ready to discover the truth about the keto diet and how it stacks up against a typical healthy eating plan. What is the keto diet? The keto diet, short for the ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that puts your body into a state of ketosis. Ketosis occurs when your body is starved of carbohydrates and turns to fat for energy. By restricting carbohydrates to around 20 to 50 grams per day and increasing fat intake, the body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of glucose from carbs. The keto diet typically consists of high-fat foods like meat, fish, eggs, dairy, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, and avocado. The diet restricts carbohydrates from sources like bread, pasta, sugar, and other processed foods. What is normal diet? A normal diet is typically a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups, including protein, carbohydrates, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. It is generally recommended that individuals consume a diet that is low in saturated and trans fats and high in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein. A normal diet can vary based on individual needs, preferences, and cultural or geographical factors. However, it usually consists of foods like whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and plant-based proteins like legumes, nuts, and seeds. The diet also includes healthy fats like olive oil, avocados, and nuts, as well as low-fat dairy products. Keto diet versus normal diet. There are several key differences between the keto diet and a normal diet, including carbohydrate intake. The keto diet restricts carbohydrates to around 20 to 50 grams per day, while a normal diet typically includes 45 to 65% of calories from carbohydrates. Fat intake. The keto diet is high in healthy fats, with around 70 to 80% of calories coming from fat. In contrast, a normal diet usually includes 20 to 35% of calories from fat. Protein intake. The keto diet includes moderate amounts of protein, around 20% of calories. A normal diet typically includes 10 to 35% of calories from protein. Weight loss. The keto diet has been shown to be effective for weight loss due to its ability to put the body into a state of ketosis and burn fat for fuel. A normal diet can also lead to weight loss, but the results may not be as rapid or significant. Health benefits. The keto diet has been shown to have potential health benefits, including improved blood sugar control, reduced inflammation, and lower risk of certain diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. A normal diet that includes a variety of healthy foods can also provide health benefits. Drawbacks. The keto diet can be difficult to follow and may result in nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. It can also lead to unpleasant side effects like bad breath, constipation, and fatigue. A normal diet can also have drawbacks if it includes too many processed or high-fat foods. In conclusion, the keto diet and a normal diet have several key differences. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that can be effective for weight loss and may have potential health benefits. A normal diet is a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods from all food groups and can also provide health benefits. Ultimately, the best diet is one that is sustainable, meets individual nutritional needs, and promotes overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found this comparison between the keto diet and a normal healthy diet informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.